Okay, we have this question here. It says find the value of p if the line that passes through -1 minus p and -2p2 is parallel to the line 8x plus 2y minus 17 equals to 0. So first of all, we should know that when two lines, these 2 points are of one line. So this line here is parallel to the line here. And when you have something like that, when you're asked to find the gradients of two lines parallel, you should know that the gradients of the first is equal to the gradients of the second. That means the gradients of a line parallel to another, a line A parallel to a line B, is equal to each other. That is for parallel lines. So if we are to use that in this case, we know that to find the gradient of this would be different from this according to some formulas that says y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals m, and the general formula for a straight line, which is y equals mx plus c. C here is a constant, the point at which the line touches the y-axis. M is the gradient, and for this also, if this is the general formula of a straight line, we can use it to find the gradients of this. And for this one, we already have point 1 and point 2 here, so we can as well use this to find the gradients for these points on the line. So for m1, which should be this, we have m1 equals to y2 is 2 minus y1 is minus p over x2 is minus 2p minus 1. This would be 2p plus 2 plus p over 1 minus 2p. So this is the gradients of the first line. For the second line, we have 8x plus 2y minus 17 equals 0. So if we are to arrange it according to the general formula, we say 2y equals 17 minus 8x, right? So we say y equals minus 4x plus 17 over 2 by dividing both sides, by dividing through by 2. And you should arrange it like this. So I take this here and then this here. So the gradients of the second one, which is m2, equals minus 4. This is the gradient. The coefficient of x is the gradient. So if m1 equals m2, then we have that 2 plus p over 1 minus 2p equals minus 4. So from here we have minus 4 plus 8p equals 2 plus p. So we have 7p equals 6. Then p equals 6 over 7. So p for this question is just 6 over 7.